Are you feeling overwhelmed and in need of some inner peace? In this video, we will guide you through simple meditation techniques. Find a quiet and comfortable space, where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths, to center yourself. Begin by focusing on your breath, as it flows in and out of your body. Imagine a soothing wave of calm, washing over you with each breath. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them non-judgmentally, and let them go, returning your focus to your breath. Now, shift your attention to the sensation of your body, from head to toe. Scan each area, noticing any tension or discomfort, and envision it melting away. Allow yourself to fully relax, and let go of any physical or emotional stress. Next, bring to mind a positive affirmation or mantra that resonates with you. Repeat it silently or out loud, allowing its positive energy to fill your being. As you continue with your mantra, notice any sensations, emotions, or thoughts that arise. Allow them to simply pass through, without becoming attached to them. Stay present in the moment, and feel the stillness and tranquility within. Now, visualize yourself in a serene environment, such as a peaceful beach, or a quiet forest. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and scents of this peaceful place. Take a moment to find gratitude for this moment of calm and self-care. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, and carry this sense of inner peace into your day. Remember, meditation is a practice, so be gentle with yourself, and take the time you need. By incorporating these simple steps into your routine, you can cultivate a deep sense of inner peace. Allow yourself the gift of quiet contemplation, and watch as your stress melts away. Like and subscribe for more life-altering insights.